Hey guys, I'm Kristen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be reviewing the Tymo Hot Air Brush. I keep you up to date with all the latest hair products, and it is such a good feeling to know that companies are now acknowledging black hair in all the latest hair tech. Full transparency, if I walked past this on the hair aisle in Target, I would not think this was made for black hair. But we gonna put it to the test. Let's get into this construction. I immediately like the thick handle. When you think about a blowout on black hair, you need a good grip. The main reason why this is going to be so effective is because it's just not playing fair. It's literally 4 tools in one. It's a hard bristle brush, a wrap brush, a blow dryer, and a heated titanium barrel. The hard bristles are going to grip and smooth just like how it slicks down your ponytail. The nylon pins with those rounded tips are going to very gently detangle. Then that pretty copper barrel is going to protect you from overstyling. It's going to make sure there's really even heat distribution. And you can create curled ends with that oval shape. I've already washed, conditioned, and sprayed a leave-in in my hair. Next, I'm sure to apply a heat protectant, and I'm going to make sure I distribute it evenly throughout my hair. I might have kind of overdid it. And this really isn't a crazy amount of heat at all. However, I'd just rather be safe than sorry. Remember those nylon pins that are somewhat like a wrap brush? Those will actually detangle your hair. You don't even need to take a ton of time to detangle. I'm detangling because I want to make sure I work this heat protectant all the way through. I'm a fan of air drying, so I'm an amateur at this. I'm purposely not going to speed through this first section so you can get an idea of how long it really takes to dry your hair. And to give a picture of how long it might really take to get a knack for handling it. Cause I am definitely not a pro. Y'all ain't never seen me blow dry my own hair. I am learning right along with you. In retrospect, this first section was a little too big. This probably should have been split in half. So it took me a little second to get this first piece dry. I was so happy they sent me this. If you've been following my hair journey, you know that I like to stay away from really intense heat. I really don't flat iron my hair. One of the many tools in my hair growth arsenal is staying away from heat. I will go to the salon, get a trim, get a blowout, and completely skip the flat iron. Although I'm relaxed, I'm still 6 weeks post relaxer, so this tool still had to show up and do its job. I am impressed. I'm liking what I see so far. I didn't get nearly as close as I should have in this shot, but you see a little bit of how well this can handle naps. I brushed over that little nap pretty quick and it straightened it out a little. I'm going to use a smaller section this time so we can get this dry a little quicker. As far as it being user-friendly, it was very easy to use. It gave me really silky results. The only thing I was not able to achieve was somewhat more of a curl. You can achieve more of a Farrah Fawcett-like look. You see my little flick of the wrist and I'm flipping it out. I was able to achieve a little flip, but full out curls, not really. Y'all saw me open the box. This was literally my first time using it, but I look forward to using it again later and figuring that piece out. Okay, another lesson is coming up as well. That black end is the cooling tip, and that is what you should be holding as you use this tool. If not, yeah, that'll happen. This is pretty doggone sleek. This is a salon quality blowout at home. It's light and fluffy and still has movement. You know how when something's new and you're a little unsure and nervous? But now I can see the results, so I'm geeked. It's possible for it to look sleek yet still be damp. So ever so often I would feel around to see if I needed to go back over an area. Yes, this has a little heat, but it's more so a blow dryer with two different brushes attached to it. When you're thinking about heat passes, it's really not that big of a deal to go back over an area. It's not a flat iron. As I'm testing this out, let me know what you think. Have you seen it before? Would you try it? Tymo's kind of popped up and taken over. I tried another one of their products last year and that was amazing, so I don't know why I would think this would be anything short of that performance. Here's a view of me getting a lot closer to the roots in the back. Here's the end result. It's giving me Yaki Straight wig vibes. It's smooth, it's flowing, it's not frizzy, while still maintaining that lovely black texture. Again, this is how I've been rocking my hair lately. The idea of being able to skip the salon price and do your own blowout at home, I would definitely get one of these. You could rock the blowout alone, or this could be a solid foundation for a bomb silk press. I'll drop the link to the exact product in the description box. And of course I have a discount code for you. I want you to save your coins. Just a mini length check and I wanted you to see how the hair fell in the back. I switched my top so there could be a little more contrast for you to see my dark hair up against my top. I know a lot of people had to start doing their hair at home when COVID hit. Even though the world is beginning to open back up, and some may still be nervous. I mean, a hairdresser has to get pretty darn close to your face. If that's your testimony, then the Tymo hot air brush is definitely the tool for you. Let me know what your takeaway was down in the comments. Thanks for watching. Thanks for growing with me and learning new things. Be sure to save, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye, guys.